In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off read receipts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you don't want people to see that you have read their messages, this can be easily done. To do that, first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down all the way until you find Messages, and then scroll down a bit until you find Send Read Receipts here. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. If you enable this option, this enables read receipts for all your conversations, and that's how we can easily turn off that feature. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.